As far as functional play goes, ways that you can do functional play at home is you can help your child begin to pretend. Let's hold the baby. Let's feed the baby. Oh, the baby is crying. Let's make the baby feel better. You can take those functional items that you've been doing relational play before. You can build a house out of Legos and, have the night right up and start doing kind of more of that functional play. I'm going to build a house, right? Your child may not be the knight, but you can kind of start to demonstrate to them what that looks like, that we can really start to make this a functional world. It's not just about how things are relating to each other. It's about how we can be creative. This is a great start to be able to really interact with your child, that you're really having those moments where you guys are joining together and engaging in the same task. As far as symbolic plays, this is where you really get to go wild as a parent at home. This is where you do dress up and you pretend that your daughter's a princess and that you are the knight that is coming to save her. So she has to stay and, she's going to direct you, let her direct you. You're going to direct a little bit. It depends. A lot of our kids that I see here at our clinic have no idea how to do symbolic play. They enjoy it because they get to interact, but they need you to tell them what to do. Okay, we're going to go grocery shopping today. What groceries do you think that we need? Pretend to drive your cart, and look, a can of peas. Nobody wants to eat canned peas. Put them back. Oh, you found a candy bar? Direct your child. Oh, you want candy. And then, show them, give them the candy. Even if it's not there, it's pretend you're doing a symbolic play. You can teach them, I just gave you something that doesn't exist, but it's candy. Let's talk about how this is candy. What kind of candy do you think it is? Ooh, Starburst. Oh, those are my favorite too. Can I have one? And then you eat it. This is so good. So this is all symbolic play. It takes a long time for a child, especially a child with autism, to develop symbolic play.